Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be reviewing this Optimus Prime. This is a Generation 1 reissue that is exclusive to Walmart. Now there is something significantly missing from this reissue. Most reissues also include the trailer along with roller, but in this particular one it is just the cab section of Optimus Prime. And here's the box. Very G1 box art, but not the same one from when I was a kid. Over here you have his tech specs and classic G1 art, and more box art on the back and over here on the bottom. So this one, like I said, is exclusive to Walmart. It is the same size box as Hot Rod, or I don't know what it's called nowadays, but the Hot Rod G1 reissue. But the price difference is significant. So same size box, different price. Let's get them open. Okay, so here is Optimus Prime out of the box. He comes with Optimus Prime himself, the cab. Two fists. Two rifles. If I can get it to focus. There you go. First rifle. And the second rifle. A sticker sheet. And an instruction manual. So the instruction manual is on normal paper, not glossy type paper that the originals came in. And let's just go through it here. Really basic, simple transformation. After all, this is Generation 1 and we didn't have the complexities that we have today of Transformers. Okay, let's put this guy aside. Now, I was looking at a thread on TFW 2005 about the, because I was actually surprised to see two rifles, and I wasn't sure the original came with that. And then I was going through a thread on TF World 2005 and saw that there were, I guess, two types of Optimus Primes. Bloated Optimus Prime and standard Optimus Prime. So as you can see in this image, if it'll focus here, two different rifles and two different types of fists. So we got both rifles that was issued back in the day, but the fist is this one, and according to the thread it says bloated fist Optimus Prime's let's focus fist has thumbs that point forward, so this must be, the thumbs are pointing down, so this must be the standard. Thumbs on the standard Optimus Prime's fist point downwards. So if that makes a difference to anyone, I'm not sure, but I was a little bit curious. So let's put this aside. Here's Optimus Prime in his vehicle mode. Rubberized tires. This one you can see is a little bit off. The feet back here are die-cast metal, along with this part of the cab. Let's get it to focus. There you go, that part of the cab. And I think, no, this is plastic. I think that's about it in terms of parts that are die cast. Now, just for a quick size comparison, here he is next to the cab mode of Transformers Siege Ultra Magnus. A lot smaller. Okay, and you can see he has that 80s style heat rub sticker. Not sure if it even works that well. I don't know, back in the day, I remember it being a lot brighter and didn't have to apply that much heat on it for it to go. And I didn't think it was this metallic silver around it. But there it is. Okay, let's transform him into robot mode, which is very, very simple. First, legs come down. Toes come up. Arms swivel out. And then on the upper part, it comes out this way. And then the head flips out. Arms comes down. And these fists go into their respective arm. So let's put the left fist on here. Ooh, this one is kind of tight. Wow. That one is a little tight on that port. This one went in just fine, to the point where it is able to twist without me worried it's going to snap. This one is very tight that I don't want to twist that. Okay, let's refocus the camera here so we can get the whole shot. There you go. And I guess we can put both of his guns in for now. And there is Optimus Prime in robot mode, of course without his stickers. Let's I'm gonna take this gun out. I like this one a lot. Seems more beefier. So here he is next to let's get this up a little bit more. Transformers Siege Optimus Prime. As you can see, Siege Optimus Prime is a bit taller, but it's pretty cool to see. I mean, we're looking at Optimus Prime from 1984, I believe, is when the first year that Transformers came out. And then you're looking at basically Optimus Prime of 2018/2019, and such difference in everything, in build quality, in articulation, in transformation. It's pretty amazing to see that how much has changed in 34. Oh my goodness, 34 years. I mean, this is such a long time when you think about it, being that this was from my childhood and this is from today. So let's put them on the side over here. You can see them from the side profile and from the back. Now, I know this would be bothersome to a lot of folks nowadays, but back in the day, us kids was okay with that. I'm curious if Siege can hold G1's gun. And yes, he can. Not exactly elegantly, but he is able to hold it. and vice versa. Wait, let's get them back to their proper firearms. So as far as articulation goes, this is going to be very short because back in the day, G1 Transformers barely had any, if any, articulation. Head, none. Waist, none. Leg part, if you want to call this articulation, is practically none. At the knee, there is, which is actually surprising because a lot of the toy designs in the 80s, if it didn't need articulation, it didn't really get any. Toes, if you want to count this, but it's part of the transformation. So this articulation here, not required for transformation. For the arm, a little ratchet joint here to go 360. No upper shoulder articulation to go up, but because of the transformation, you can do this. Articulation at the elbow. And then articulation to swivel at the elbow, but mainly due to the transformation. Now, technically, at the fist, he does have articulation because, you know, it's just a peg. So you could kind of do this if you want. Unfortunately, the fit on this arm is so tight that I would not do that because it might snap. And that's pretty much it. Let's get them back into vehicle mode. So let's remove the gun, the fists. I think with time this will become loose, but flip the head back, arms go back, elbows, forearms go in, toes go down, legs go up, and it is done. And then we open the cab. I don't know. I don't think this is anything official. I didn't see it in the current instructions, but I remember as a kid, folks would just put the fist in here when in vehicle mode. Well, that's it. Very short review. Nothing really to add in here. I mainly picked this up for nostalgic sake. It'll go pretty nicely well with my other primes, and for comparing and contrasting of what I had as a kid and what is out today. Anyway, thanks for watching.